All right, so we're going to learn how to write a logarithmic equations in exponential form, okay? Now, this may look a little confusing, okay? But if you notice, see how you have n equals b to the p power? The n represents this number in front of the log. The b is the base. Notice how it's a base of the log and it's also a base of the number. And then the p is your exponent. So exponents and logs go, like I said, hand in hand. They share the same numbers. You can write them different ways. So if you're looking at this problem right here, this is saying log base 5 of 125 equals 3. Okay? So what is the base in this problem? 5. And what is going to be the exponent if you were to change it? 3. Okay, so for this homework assignment, they just want you to get comfortable with changing things from log form into exponent form. Okay, so for instance, if we go back here to this problem, whenever you're changing it from log to exponent form, 5 is your base. This number right here is your exponent, and then it equals this number, which is your answer. And it should actually make sense because 5 to the third power is 125. Okay? So all I did was change this from log form to exponent form. Okay, so on example 1, this is all we're doing is we're practicing doing this. Okay, so log base 6 of 216 equals 3. How will I write this? Good. 6 to the third power equals 216. Okay, and then they also want you to state what is the base of this problem.
6.
Very good. So the base equals 6. Okay, example 2. How will I rewrite this one? Good. 4 to the fourth power equals 256. And what is my base? And remember, your base is always that number. Okay, 3. How will I rewrite 3?
Oh, so this one is rewriting like the thing, right?
We're just rewriting it. 5 to the
0 power
equals 1. And if you notice, all of these are making true statements, are they? 5 to the 0 power does equal 1. 4 to the fourth power does equal 256. Okay, and what is my base on example 3? 5. Good. You were just too quick for me. Okay, number 4. How do I rewrite that one?
2 to the negative 2 power.
Equals. This is where a lot of you mess up on your test. Whenever you have a negative exponent, what do you do in order to get rid of it? Right, you move this to the opposite side. So 2 to the second would go to the bottom. And so that's how they got 1/4. What is the base on this problem? 2. Okay. Normally with decimals, you need to change that into a fraction. Do you know how to change 0.001 into a fraction?
1 over 1,000.
Very good. This is really log of 1 over 1,000 equals -3. Now this is also something that we haven't talked about yet, but do you notice how this log does not have a base? Anytime you do not have a base written, it has base 10. So this is really base 10. You know how like in a square root, if they don't tell you the root number, you automatically know it's a 2, right? So like on this one, the square root, we know that it's a 2. With logs, when they don't tell you, you automatically know it is a 10, okay? So how will I end up writing this? 10 to the negative third equals 1 over 1,000. And what is our base? Good. Okay, how will I rewrite number 6? 7 to the 1/2 power equals the square root of 7. And what is my base? 7. Okay, example 7. How will I rewrite that one? R. R to the what power? M power equals N. How will I, what's my base? R. Right. Okay. Number 8. How will I rewrite it? 5 to the first equals 5. And what is my base? Very good. Any questions?